Let's explore the V8 engine. This is an understanding of Google's JavaScript engine that powers Node.js. V8 is Google's open-source JavaScript engine written in C++. It compiles JavaScript directly to native machine code. V8 is used in the Chrome browser. It powers JavaScript execution in Google Chrome. Also, it is used in Node.js, which enables server-side JavaScript development. The V8 engine takes JavaScript code as the source code input. Then it parses and compiles it to convert to machine code. Finally, it executes the native code. The core components of V8 are the parser, ignition, and TurboFan. Parser converts JavaScript into abstract syntax tree. Ignition is the interpreter that generates byte code. TurboFan is the optimizing compiler for hot code. V8 has two memory sections. First is heap memory, which stores objects and dynamic data. Second is garbage collector, which automatically cleans unused memory. Here is an example of V8 in action. Consider this JavaScript code. Function greet, which takes name as a parameter, returns the string hello and the name, and this entire thing is assigned to a constant called message. Then the console.log prints this message. V8 matters because of performance optimization and ecosystem. It gives fast execution with just-in-time compilation. It does smart code optimization for better speed, and powers modern web development. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.